I mean, it's going to be an amazing event. I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah.
And the thing is that it's intimate, right? So we can't bring
Yeah.
everybody. We have very limited. I mean, imagine, how many people can be there, right?
I know. Yeah.
It's
So,
not a lot.
so right now we have about half of it already sold, and there's only between 25 to 30 people. So this is gonna be, it's gonna be very, very intimate. Not everybody's gonna be able to make it there. So if you really are interested, we will always have a waiting list. There's going to be other events, and if you want to attend, you will see videos of what you missed. But we will always have another ones. You could always go into a waiting list and be able to actually make it to the next one. So it is going to be very intimate because of the quality of people that we want to bring, and only a few of you will be able to make it.
Right. So I mean, Carlos, I'm super excited for it.
Let's go.
I can't wait to see exactly, what type of attendees that we have. We've got half of it sold, and I can't wait to meet these people. And if you know who you are, if I'm talking to you here, but it's going to be an amazing experience. So got to be in the room with people who are doing a lot better than you, so you can see how they got there.
That's what we want to do. We want to make sure we throw the experience in your lap to open your eyes if you're a business owner on what's possible. Because that's what happened to me. I came from nothing. I came from poverty. I came from a third world country. I came from coming into this country, living in welfare. I came on hating Turkey. I came from actually, remember my story about going to a soup kitchen every Thanksgiving in winter, and we have turkey all the way to January, all the way to January. And it's because we're poor, and that's the only thing we have to take advantage of everything we're able to. And again, that alone right there, I talk about PTSD and everything. And it's not that I have PTSD, I just don't like turkey because of the taste and everything that I had to eat. But it's just, it teaches you about being humble, being hungry. Like, I work my ass off, and I may not be the smartest person. I know I'm not the smartest person, but I'm proud to say that not one fucking person will outwork me. I will work anybody else off. I go into failure, and I do it every single time. This comes from the military too, and I think from me. But this is the thing: like, you have to be hungry, not hungry, because that's when you
don't be angry. Be hungry.
You be angry. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm so hungry. Anyway,
having some issues. Is that McAllen 12 treating you all right?
He's hugging me right now. No, but so I'm hungry about what I wanted to do in life, and that's one thing that we want you to be hungry about: success. We want to still open you that it is possible. We want to show you what you can do, because you are able to do it, guys. There's no shortage of money. It's just the ability of you actually finding out how to become the best at your craft.